am Steve.
Minecraft released a live-action movie trailer. Many video creators have made their own versions of the Steve meme, which are amazing and interesting. Today, let me show you how. First, you need to prepare the original clip. Once you launch the HitPaw video enhancer, select the AI background removal, and import the original clip. In the upper right corner, you can decide whether it's transparent background or blur background, and click preview button, then you can see the result of a few frames. Also, you can change the background color and the degree of blurriness. Just move the little circle and you can adjust it from low to high. When everything has been set, export the clip. And second method is using Capcut. Import the original clip and drag into the timeline. In the upper right corner, choose the Remove BG in the Video tab. Here are 3 ways. Let's try one by one. The first one, auto removal, is very convenient, but you can see it could not cut out Steve without other noise. The second one, custom removal. It's also very easy. You just need to draw on Steve with Smart Brush. Then click Apply button. And it can cut out Steve as well.
I am Steve.
If you want to make your clip more funny, you can add more effect on it. For example, search boom material in the stock material and choose the one you like. I think the first one is great enough. Drag boom material into timeline and put it behind the Steve. Split the boom clip. Just remain the part you need. Then adjust the speed of the boom clip to correspond with Steve meme.
I am Steve. Am Steve.
To make it much more attractive, the soundboard is also important. You can find the sound of explosion in the audio tab, which is in the upper left corner.
Am Steve.
Well, that's all for today's video. The original clip, you can find it in the description. If you find this video interesting, please give it a like or subscribe this channel, which means a lot to me.
Am Steve.